So I'd say that's pretty damn good. So far, we're at 40% through the whole thing. So what do you guys think? Have you guys ever traded iron condors? Are you guys options traders? What do you guys like to trade? I was meeting a ton of people that were trading iron condors for quite some time. As volatility was low. Whenever volatility is low, whenever the stock market is not moving too much, whenever things are pretty stable, that's when this strategy really shines. And this is looking pretty good because this is June of last year. This is, yeah, the summertime of last year was a pretty chill period. There wasn't anything too crazy going on with the markets. We're just kind of getting into election season. Look at that, from 25,000 up to 44,000 already. I'm feeling pretty good about the strategy. How about you guys? Okay, well, we'll let this thing finish up. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this strategy. This is where it is right here, the options condor martingale. And I actually wouldn't mind running this thing. I think it'd be pretty cool to see this thing actually run. Our back tests are giving us some really nice results. What I'd like to see is I would normally throw some cash into this at first. I'm just wondering whether this is going to trigger our PDT rule is my only thing. So we might need to kind of tell it not to trade too much because it'll violate the PDT rule. And then I'm going to get one of my accounts shut down. So I think we need to make that little change. I believe it should be trading condors. I also kind of want to run this with a paper trading account for a little bit. You know, the other ones that we've been running directly with real money, I think it would make sense to kind of let this thing trade for a little bit first, just to make sure it's doing everything correctly. Because, you know, I'm wondering about whether it's going to keep up this return, which, you know, that's always a concern.